The roar of a naturally aspirated V10, a silhouette that's instantly iconic, and a legacy that's lasted nearly 2 decades. This is the 2025 Audi R8. But is it the final chapter for one of the most beloved supercars ever built? A legendary finale? The Audi R8 first hit the scene in 2006, a mid-engine supercar from Audi that nobody expected. And yet, it carved out a legacy that rivals the Porsche 911 and even some Ferraris. Now, nearly 20 years later, the 2025 R8 could be the last one ever. Audi's electric transition is well underway, and this model feels like a celebration of everything the R8 stood for: performance, design, and that glorious V10 soundtrack. Performance specs. The 2025 Audi R8 sticks to its roots, powered by the legendary 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated V10. It cranks out 612 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque, launching from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. Top speed, over 205 miles per hour. It's paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch S-tronic transmission, and of course, Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. You get instant grip, razor-sharp shifts, and a soundtrack that no EV can replicate. For those asking, yes, it's the same engine found in the Lamborghini Huracan, just tuned slightly differently, but with Audi refinement and drivability. Pricing and trim levels now. Let's talk numbers, because the 2025 R8 doesn't come cheap, but it does come correct. R8 Coupe 510 Performance RWD starts at $165,000. R8 Coupe 510 Performance Quattro starts around $182,000. R8 Spider Convertible starts near $195,000. Final edition models with exclusive features expect to pay over $220,000, depending on configuration and carbon options. Yes, it's a high price, but you're getting a true supercar with race-proven engineering and potentially the last naturally aspirated V10 you'll ever be able to buy new. Tech and interior inside, the 2025 R8 keeps things clean and focused. You get Audi's signature virtual cockpit, a fully digital 12.3-inch display in front of the driver. All controls are steering wheel mounted, meaning the dashboard stays uncluttered, race-inspired, and driver-centric. Interior materials include fine Napa leather, Alcantara, and optional carbon fiber inlays. The cabin feels tight, premium, and performance-focused. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and while there's no touchscreen, everything you need is right in front of you, just like it should be in a proper driver's car. Exterior details. Outside, the R8 hasn't changed dramatically, but that's a good thing. It still turns heads with its low stance, wide body, and aggressive aero. The final edition trims also get unique badging, more exposed carbon fiber, and in some cases, titanium exhaust tips and race-style bucket seats. It's subtle, refined, and unmistakably Audi. So, should you buy the 2025 R8? If you've ever dreamed of owning a supercar that blends daily drivability with track-ready performance, this is it. It's fast, beautiful, and naturally aspirated, a dying breed. With a starting price of $165,000 and fully loaded models crossing the $220,000 mark, it's a serious investment, but also a future classic in the making. If this is indeed the last R8, Audi made sure it went out in style. The 2025 Audi R8 might just be the last of its kind. No turbos, no electric motors, just pure, unfiltered performance. The end of an era and the beginning of a legacy. Like the video, subscribe for more deep dive reviews, and drop a comment.